वही स्टेटस में रखी थी मैडम, वो स्टेटस में रखे तो बच्चे गए कि देख के बोले मैडम आप लाइव क्लासेस लेते, हम लोग सुनना चाह रहे आपके क्लासेस बोले। हाँ वो रिकॉर्डेड नको का लाइव सुनते कहते। Good afternoon, all of you. So welcome to today's session. Yesterday, already we have completed theory of equation, and I told that the random variables will start, and I gave the formulas also for the random variable. So let us do the questions related to those formulas. Random variables. स्टेटस में डाल दूंगी ना तो अब वो कौन है कि कहाँ ढूंढ लूँ उसको। See, first question. This is a small question. This only this gives us idea about the random variables. A PDF. PDF means Poisson distributive function. A PDF of a discrete random variable is 0 except at the points x is equal to 0, 1, 2. At these points, it has the value P of 0 is equal to 3c cube, P of 1 is equal to 4c minus 10c square, and P of 2 is equal to 5c minus 1. For some c greater than 0, find the value of c. Solution. So question is very big, but don't think much about for that question. Just yesterday I told you that the first point of the random variable, sum of the probability is always equal to 1. So in the random variable, the heart of that chapter is sum of the probability is equal to 1. Remember that point. So here, sum of the probability is always equal to 1. Is always equal to 1. So here, P of 0, what are the probabilities are given to us? P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 is only 3 probabilities are given to us, and make it equal to 1. What is the P of 0 here? P of 0 is here we have that 3c cube plus P of 1, 4c minus 10c square, and this is a 5c minus 1 is equal to 1. Then here a 3c cube minus 10c square, this is a 9c, and minus 1, bring this one here, minus 1 is equal to 0. Do you understand it? 3c cube, here minus 10c square I wrote here, 4c plus 5c is 9c, minus 1 I have brought this minus 1 here. Now this is becoming that 3c cube minus 10c square plus 9c minus 2 is equal to 0. Now what we have to do that? By trial and error method. Trial and error method. What is the meaning of the trial and error method? We have to substitute in the place of c some numbers. Which number is satisfying that is equal to 0? If you are getting that, that is your solution of that equation. Once again, I'm repeating the same point here. In the place of C, you substitute one number except 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. There are so many numbers are there in universe. But here, for your sake of convenience, only 1, 2, 3 only satisfies this equation. Keep CK place में 1 and see that whether you are getting 0 or not. Satisfies means you have to get 0. Okay. So put x3 is equal to 1 by trial and error method, that is called. By trial and error method, put C is equal to 1. What you are getting that here? So 3 into 1 cube minus 10 into 1 square plus a 9 into 1 minus 2. Then see 3 minus 10 plus 9 minus 2. So this is minus 7 plus 7. We are getting 0 or not? We are getting 0. So with C is equal to 1, now we have to do the synthetic division. See, to get that remaining roots, because cube now, cube means 3 roots will be there. One root we could find out by the trial and error method. So remaining 2 roots to be find out. See, now by synthetic division, so what are these numbers are there here? These coefficients to be taken. 3 minus 10, 9 and minus 2. 3 minus 10, 9 minus 2. Then first you keep the 0, you already know that. 3, 3 ones are 3. Minus 7. Minus 7 into 1, minus 7. 2. 2 ones are 2. That is 0. Now, how can we write down this one as 3c square minus 7c plus 2 is equal to 0. Now factorize this one. 3 2s are 6. So 3 2s are 6. How can we write down that 7 as? Can we write down this one as 6 into 1? If you add them, then you will get that 7. So we write here 3c square minus 6c minus c plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 6c minus c is 7c, no? So take 3c as the common. Then c minus 2, take minus 1 common. Then c minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 3c minus 1 and c minus 2 is equal to 0. Now so here 3c minus 1 is equal to 0. 3c minus 1 is equal to 0. C minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1 by 3 and C is equal to 2. Here, how many values you have for this? C is equal to 1, we have that. C is equal to 3, we have that. C is equal to 2, we have that. In all the three, only one C is only correct. One C only we have to take it for now. So always the probability value is lies between P of E is less than or equal to 1. So less than or equal to 1 was the तीनों में से छोटा कौन सा है? From all these, C is equal to 1 by 3 only the smallest one. Okay. So we have to take that value, we have to confirm that C की value is 1 by 3. So here, therefore C is equal to 1 by 3 is the correct. Actually, what happened that C is equal to 1 by 3 should be substituted here. Substitute here, which is giving that least value, which is giving that less than 1, that is your correct. Okay, but here don't go for much, don't think much about it. That what I am saying that you follow that. C is equal to 1 by 3, C is equal to 2, C is equal to which is the smallest one, 1 by 3 is the smallest one. So confirm that one as C is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, just to go through once, let us go for that in remaining questions. Now the most important question. The range of the random variable x is 0, 1, 2. Given that P of x is equal to 0 is equal to 3c cube. P of x is equal to 1 is equal to 4c minus 10c square. And P of x is equal to 2 is equal to 5c minus 1. Then find the value of c. Find the value of c. And number 2, P of x less than 1 and P of 1 less than x less than or equal to 2 and P of 0 less than x less than or equal to 3. Just now we have completed the same model now question. C is equal to how much we got it? 1 by 3. The same thing to be continued here. So no need to go for that first one. I'm not explaining that problem number 1 because the same thing I have explained right now. So I'm going for directly second one. So first one, just I'm writing here that. First one, by previous question. But don't write in your examination that by previous question. You have to do that. By previous question. C value, how much you got it? C is equal to 1 by 3, we got it. Now, let us coming for this one, second one. P of x less than 1. What is the meaning of that P of x less than 1? 1 se bhi kam value kaun rahti? 0. So we write down this one as P of x is equal to 0. P of x is equal to 0. Concerned value is what? 3c cube. So we write this is 3c cube. So 3 into c value, how much we got, ma? 1 by 3 whole cube. So this is 3 into 1 by 27. So cancel out here. So answer is equal to 1 by 9. Next, coming for that second one. P of 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. What is the meaning of that? 1 and 2 in between values, including 2. 1 should not be included. Less than or equal to 2 means it should be included. But in between 1 and 2, 1.5 will be there. But 1.5 is not there in our question. Okay, then we have to take only x is equal to 2. So we have to take this one as P of x is equal to 2. What is the P of x is equal to 2? Constant value is here 5c minus 1. That is a 5 into, but what is the c value? 1 by 3. So we write here 1 by 3 minus 1. That is a 5 by 3 minus 1. Do that cross multiplication or taking that LCM. 5 minus 3 by 3. That we are getting that 2 by 3. Now coming for that P of 0 less than x less than or equal to 3. Next, P of 0 less than x less than or equal to 3. 0 and 3 in between values, including 3. So what are those values are there? P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3. Then P of x is equal to 1 concerned value, what is there, my here? 4c minus 10c square. And P of x is equal to 2, 5c minus 1. And P of x is equal to 3. Not given. P of x is equal to 3 is not there now. So we can't do anything. This is not given. Now, 4c minus this will become that 9c minus 10c square minus 1. Then This is a 9 into, what is the C value? 1 by 3 minus 10 into 1 by 3 square minus 1. Then how much you are getting that here? This is 3 3s are get cancelled. So 3 minus this is 10 by 9 and this is minus 1. That is 2 minus 10 by 9. So how much you are getting that one here? 18 minus 10 by 9. That is 8 by 9 is your answer. Sure, people are able to see. That is 8 by 9. So these are your answer. This is 7-mark question. Nothing is there, no logic is there. You can easily get that marks for 7 marks. So please, I'm requesting you that always I'm giving the hint, I'm giving the suggestion. Whenever you open the paper, better to first attempt the question of 24th. 24th question is related to our random variables. How many are there in the class? दिख रहा है सर आपको? कितने हैं? So this is the given question to us. And what is asking to us? Is the probability distribution of a random variable find the value of k find a value of k and the variance of x. See, solution. What I said that to find out the value of k or to find out the value of c, first we have to write down that sum of the probability is always equal to 1. So let us start with that one only for this question also. So sum of the probability is always equal to 1. What are the sum of the probabilities are here? This. Okay. So we write here 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.3 plus k is equal to 1. Now, all that add the k values here. K plus 2k, 3k. 3k plus k, that is 4k. Plus 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.3, 0.6 is equal to 1. Then 4k is equal to 1 minus 0.6, that is 0.4. So now 4k is equal to 0.4. 4 may how many times it get cancelled? 0.1 times. So k is equal to, we have that 0.1. Clear? Now we have to go for that variance. So before going to that variance, we need that mean. Directly we can't find out the variance. We should go through that mean only. So first let us go for that mean. How to find out the mean of this? To find the mean. What is the formula? Yesterday I gave that. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi into p of x is equal to xi. What is the meaning of the sigma? Sigma means here, this is the summation of all the number. Summation means addition of all the number. So instead of every time writing that in bigger manner, we will sometimes write in the elaborated manner, in the small manner. So that's why we are using that sigma here instead of writing that all those terms. So now, but we have to write down in the elaborated manner. So xi means this one, and into p of x is equal to xi, this one. This into this. Again, you should write down plus. This into this, plus. This into this, plus. This into this, plus. This into this, plus. 3 into k. Okay? You understand the point what I am writing? See, now I am writing this here. So this is minus 2 into 0.1 plus minus 1 into k plus 0 into 0.2, 0 into 0.2 and plus 1 into 2k and plus 2 into 0.3 plus 3 into k. Now multiply this minus 2 into 0.1, that is minus 0.2 and minus k, and this is 0 and this is 2k and this is 0.6 and plus 3k. First you add that k terms first. So here this is 3k plus 2k, 5k. 5k minus k, that is equal to, we'll get that 4k. And here 0.6 minus 0.2, that is 0.4. But 4 into, already k value we found out now. Already k value is 0.1 is there. So you substitute here. So that is 0.1 plus 0.4. That is 0.4 plus 0.4. How much you are getting that? 0.8. So this mean is always represented with that symbol that is called mu. Okay, this is called that mu. So we got that mu value here. This is called that mean. Now we should go for that variance. How to find out the variance of that? Okay, so Now I'm finding that variance. What is that variance formula? Variance formula is sigma I is equal to 1 to n sigma, this is xi square into p of x is equal to xi minus mu square. Xi square into p of x is equal to xi minus mu square. So now what to do that? Xi square mean now we have to square this one. First one square it into this plus square into this plus again square into this plus square of this and this square of this square of this. पहले जो टेबल पे पहले जो नंबर से टॉप में उसमें नंबर से उसको स्क्वायर करते जाना, उसको स्क्वायर करके नेक्स्ट वाले को मल्टीप्लाई करना, फिर बीच में प्लस डालना, फिर सेकंड वाले को ऊपर वाले को स्क्वायर करना, फिर नीचे का मल्टीप्लाई करना. सो बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. So now write here. See, xi square, that is minus 2 square into 0.1 plus next minus 1 square into k plus 0 square into 0.2 plus 1 square into 2k plus 2 square into 0.3 plus 3 square into k minus mu square. I said that. What is mu? Mu is 0.8. We got it. So here 0.8 square to be written. Now calculate this values here. This is 4 into 0.1 plus 1 square into 1 into k plus again this is 0 and this is 2k and this is 4 into 0.3, that is 1.2 and plus 9k minus 0.8 whole square means 0.64. Okay, now this is 0.4 plus k and this is 2k and this is 1.2 plus 9k minus 0.64. So here this is how much ma? This is 3k and this we are getting that 12k and plus 0.4 plus this is 0.6 and here 0.6 minus 0.64. So here 12 into, but k ki value how much we have that here? K value is 0.1 we have that plus 0.6 minus 0.64. Then this is becoming that 1.2 plus 0.6 minus 0.64. Then this is becoming that 1.26. See. Wait for a while, let's. Here we will get 1.6. Here this is 1.2 plus this is 1.6 minus 0.4 and plus 1.6 minus 0.64. Okay. Now you calculate this part here. This is 1.2 plus 1.6 minus 0.64. So we are getting 1.8 minus 0.64. So now you calculate this point here, 1.06 minus 0.64. And this is equal to 6 and 1. And this will become that 2.8. So we'll get that here. 2.80 and 0.64. 6 and 1, 2.16 will get. So your final answer is 2.16. Just you have a look here. Next important question. This is the last year it was come to you. The previous year batch, your batch is example. They got this question. A random variable X has the following probability distribution. X is equal to X. P of X is equal to X. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the corresponding values are 0 ka 0, K, 2K, 2K, 3K, K square, 2K square, 7K square plus K. Seven K square plus K. These are the values are given. Once again, I'm checking that 0, K, 2K, 2K, 3K, K square, 2K square, 7K square plus K. Okay, right. Now, what to do that? Again, as I told you that sum of the probability is always equal to 1. Then let us do that one. Solution. Sum of the probability is always equal to 1. So probability बोलते जो second row में रहता ना, those are all probability. Always second row. Okay. So see 0 plus K plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. Now, k square plus 2k square, 3k square, 3k square plus 7k square, 10k square, 10k square plus, now 2k plus 2k is, this is 5k, 8k, 9k and 1. Now, this can be written as 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. Do the factorization for this. Then here 10k square plus 10k plus minus k, 10k minus k, you will get the 9k now, minus 1 is equal to 0. What can we take as the common from these two marks? Can we take 10k as the common? Then take 10k as the common, then k plus 1. In these two, what can we take as the common? Minus 1 can be taken as a common because nothing is appearing, but here minus is appearing. So, minus 1 to be taken as the common. Then the same term will be repeated here, is equal to 0. Now, 10k minus 1, you write it. 10k minus 1 and k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, 10k minus 1 is equal to 0. K plus 1 is equal to 0. 10k is equal to 1. Then k ki value 1 by 10 and k ki value hoye minus 1. But a probability is always a positive number. It cannot be negative. So that's why we have to remove that. K is equal to minus 1 to be removed. And we have to consider k is equal to 1 by 10 only. This one is only correct. Now what to do that, ma? What is asked in your question? I think I have not written the question totally. Wait. Here he asked that find the value of k, find k. Second bit he has asked you that the mean, and a third one is asked to you that p of 0 less than x less than 5 he is asked you. इसमें already k value we found out 1 by 10. So we should go for that mean. So to go for that mean, please once you note this one or you take a screenshot or something, I will rub this one because place will not be sufficient for me to continue that. If I make that shorten this, it will become very less and place will not be sufficient for that one also. So take that, this part you write down, then I'll rub it and I'll go for the next part. Mean I will explain you. So k is equal to 1 by 10, you remember this. Now I am removing this. Okay, so the mean, to find out the mean, second bit. The mean formula is what here, mu and sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi into p of x is equal to xi. Now, xi into p of x is equal to xi means this into this plus दिस इंटू दिस, ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना, बीच में प्लस लिखना, फिर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना, बीच में प्लस लिखना, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो प्लस, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो प्लस, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो प्लस, दोनों का बीच में मल्टीप्लाई करो फिर प्लस, फिर ये लिखना. ओके, होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ ये राइट 0 इंटू 0 प्लस, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करें प्लस लिखे, फिर 1 इंटू के प्लस अगेन 3 इंटू 2k plus again 4 into 3k plus again 5 into k square plus 6 into 2k square plus 7 into 7k square plus k. So here multiply, this is orbit 0, k plus 6k plus 12k plus 5k square plus 12k square plus 49k square plus 7k. Now, k terms first you add it here. So this is 8k, this is 20k, 20 and 27k, 27k we are getting actually 33k to we get. Wait for a while, 7k is there I think. 0 plus 4k, 1 minute, wait for a while. I have missed, there's one term here. I missed one term here. 0 into 0 plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k. I have missed here. Zero into 0 plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k our left here. So this is becoming that 0 plus k plus 4k plus. So now we add it here. 5k, 11k, 11k, and this is we are having the 23k, 23k plus 7k, 30k, 30k plus again 5k square plus 12k square, that is 17k square, 17 plus 49, 66k square. And 30 into, what is the k value we found out? K is equal to 1 by 10 now. Already in the previous question we have done. In the previous bit, k is equal to 1 by 10. That 1 by 10 to be substituted here. 1 by 10 plus 66 into 1 by 10 square. That will become that. See that my here 3 and 6 is cancel. 3 plus 66 and this is 1 by 100. That is equal to 3 plus 66 by 100. Don't cancel out with 2 getting cancelled, 233 the 250 the again 33 and 50, then doing that division it will be difficult for you. So 3 plus we can write down directly 66 by 100 mean 0.66 we can write down. 2 zeros are there now. So here 1 0 for here 1 0 point will come. Okay, 0.66. 2 zeros hai to 2 times ke pehle aata point. And if it is 1000 is there, then after 3 points point will come. 0.066 will come. Okay. Try. That is 3.66 is your answer. Okay, the 3.66 answer question is very, very important to you. And our last one is P of 0 less than x less than 5 to be find out. And that last one is here, P of 0 less than x less than 5. Means in between 0 and 5 values to be written, and 5 should not be included and 0 should not be included. So here, and P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3 and plus P of x is equal to 4. That's all. So P of x is equal to 1 value. How much we have that? K. Corresponding values. P of x is equal to 1 value corresponding is K. P of x is equal to 2 corresponding value is 2K. So we write here 2K. And P of x is equal to 3. 3 ka corresponding value is 2K. So we write here 2K. And P of x is equal to 4. 4 ka corresponding value is here 3K. So we write here 3K. So how much this is? Totally is 8K it will become. So 8 into what is the K value? K is 1 by 10 now. Substitute here 1 by 10. Again, don't cancel out here. And 2 4 the 2 5 the, don't do all these things. So here 8 by 10 you can write down directly 0.8 is your answer. Okay, this is the last year's question, last time's question, not last year's. सर स्टॉप कर देना सर 1 मिनट में बोल देते लोग tomorrow we'll continue that random variables. Sunday is also we'll have the class and the random variables will be continued. Only 3-4 questions we have done and next session will be continued tomorrow. Okay, then thank you.